Hello, I am Vikrant. In each question, one term in the number series is wrong. Find out the wrong term. The series is 125, 126, 124, 127, 123 and 129. The solution is, if you look at the series carefully, it is following a pattern of plus 1, minus 2, plus 3, minus 4, plus 5 and so on. So, if you look at the series, that is 125 plus 1 is equal to 126, 126 minus 2 will be equal to 124 and 124 plus 3 will be equal to 127, 127 minus 4 will give you 123 and 123 plus 5 will give you 128, but in the series this term is given as 129. So we can say that this term is wrong term in the series. So the answer is therefore 129. That is, the wrong term is fourth one, that is 129. Thank you. Hello, I am Vikrant. In each question, one term in the number series is wrong. Find out the wrong term. The series is 3, 4, 10, 32, 136, 685 and 4116. Solution is, if you look at the sequence that is observed in this particular series, is second term is obtained as first term plus 1 multiplied by 1. That is, the third term will be obtained similarly as second term plus 1 multiplied by 2. The fourth term is third term plus 1 multiplied by 3 and so on. So we can say that in this particular term, if we have to find out the second term, that is in this case will be first term, that is 3 plus 1 multiplied by 1 is equal to 4. In the third term we have obtained as second term, that is 4 plus 1 into 2, that is 10. In the fourth term we have observed that it is third term, that is 10 plus 1 into 3. In this case it is 33, but as per the question it is coming as 32. So we can say that this is the term which is wrong in the series. So answer turns out to be second. Thank you. Hello, I am Vikrant. In each question, one term in the number series is wrong. Find out the wrong term. 3, 10, 27, 4, 16, 64, 5, 25 and 125. If you look at the sequence that is followed in this series, is we have the sequence as 3, 3 square, then we have 3 cube, then we have 4, 4 square, 4 cube, then we have 5, 5 square, 5 cube. So in this case the term that is wrong should be replaced by 10, that is in this case here instead of 10 it should be 9, that is 3 square. So we can say that the answer is third. Thank you. Hello, I am Vikrant. In each question, one term in the number series is wrong. Find out the wrong term. The series is 5, 27, 61, 122, 213, 340 and 509. The solution is, look at the series. The sequence which we are observing in this series is the first term, that is 2 cube minus 3. The second term, that is 3 cube minus 3. The third term should be 4 cube minus 3 and so on. The series is continuing. So we can say that there is only one term that is wrong here, that is 27, because here instead of that it should be 3 cube minus 3, that is 27 minus 3, which will give you 24. Therefore the answer is first, that is first term is wrong in the series. Instead of 27 there should be 24. Thank you.